Hello everyone, this is John from Alternative Health. Been a long time since I've talked to you. Wanted to discuss a couple things that is going on in our world. I guess I really don't need to tell you. Turn on the news and you'll see it. First thought is turn it back off right away. Don't listen to it too long. But if you listen to the news much, you're going to hear about COVID coming back. The upswing of it, more cases, etc. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is not to stress you out any more than what we already are, but to tell you and remind you that there are things that we have to do and that we can do in order to protect ourselves. First and foremost, don't live in fear. It is a virus. What I really want you to be thinking about is, how can I protect myself from this virus damaging my body or my family? Number one, wear a mask when you're out. You're in the stores, you're in public, wear a mask. If you know somebody's been sick, stay away from them. Okay? The other things is wash your hands. Do all the protocol that you've heard over and over and that makes sense. That part is good. The next thing, we have to make sure we're eating healthy. Our immune system is the part of our body that's going to protect us from any disease that comes along. So you have to eat well. You have to get rid of the sugars and all the toxic foods. You have to hydrate yourself. Water. When I say water, I mean water, water, and more water to cleanse your body. Take care of yourself. Beyond that, there are certain things that, again, we need to do to protect our body, and that is supplementation. If you are a person who comes in regularly, does one of our Zyto scans, you already know what you need to be on at any given time. If you're not, I'm going to give you some ideas. Number one, vitamin D. You need to be on vitamin D all the time. Okay? Vitamin D is probably the number one thing that will protect you if you don't know what else to do. So if you're only going to take one supplement, do vitamin D. Number two, I want you to be thinking about our Detox Herb. Our Detox Herb is a blood purifier, cleans the blood. So what happens is when we start getting sick, we get all this bacteria, virus runs through our body. This will help us to clean that out. Because I'm going to tell you that everyone is going to become involved with all the viruses, whether it's flu, whether it's the COVID. Viruses are going to attack everybody. You can't avoid it. So, the Detox Herb. Number three is the daily vitamins and minerals. Take care of it. Get all the vitamins. You can't get enough nutrients in your body by eating. I don't care how clean you eat. You need additional nutrients. Next is the Vital, the antioxidant. Looks very similar in box to the daily, but it's the Vital. It's a vitamin C, very, very powerful vitamin C. You should be taking this. If you don't want to take the vitamin C in capsule form, we also have the daily antioxidants. Tastes like fruit juice, but it's very, very powerful vitamin C to protect. And we all know what our body needs vitamin C. Okay, so we say take care of yourself, wash, clean yourself, wear a mask, eat right, hydrate, take supplements. The last thing I'm going to mention is you need to detox and clean your body out even more frequently than we normally would talk about. I myself have been detoxing ever since COVID hit about once a month. In fact, we have a group detox. We have 20-some people already signed up to do it together. But I tell people, while this is happening, cleanse your body once a month. If you don't want to do it once a month, once every 6 weeks. Because you know we tell everybody at least once every 3 months. But these are unprecedented times we're living in. We have to make some choices. There's two different types of detoxes, our classic and our total body cleanse. If you're going to detox more often, think about the total body cleanse. Why? The supplements last for 7 days. In 7 days you're done. You don't have to take it for a long period of time if you're against taking things all the time or remembering. But if we don't clean the body out, if we don't feed it properly and give it the right nutrients, ultimately we're going to end up with some kind of illness that we don't want. We're here to try to help you. We're here to try to protect you, keep you well. Godspeed. Take care of yourself. Know we love you. Thank you for listening.